Hello students, today we will start our new unit number 12, circle. First of all, what is circle? We have to define circle and circumference of a circle or area of a circle or area of a concentric circle. First of all, we have to know the formula, then we can do the sum related to circle. What is circle? The set of all the points in a plane which are at fixed distance from a fixed point is called circle. This fixed point is center and the distance, fixed distance is radius, and it forms a closed plane figure that is called circle. A fixed point is called center and fixed distance is called radius of a circle. Then circumference and area of a circle. The circumference of a circle is given as c equals to 2 pi r or pi d, both are same. If we have a radius, we can use 2 pi r. If we have a diameter, we can use pi d. Value of pi is 22/7. If the area of a circle is equals to pi r square, or we can use this simple formula pi r square, and d is the diameter of circle. The relation between radius and diameter is twice of radius is diameter, or half of diameter is radius. If we have to find the area of this circular path, means the two concentric circle path, so the area of this ring, it can be as pi r square, means r is a capital R is a radius of greater circle or bigger circle, and small r is a radius of smaller circle. So the formula becomes pi r square minus small r square. This formula we have to use in exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1, question number 1. The radius of two circles are given as 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of a circle which having a circumference equals to sum of the circumference of two given circles. Radius of a circle is equals to 19 centimeter, and so the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r1. So 2 pi into 19 is the circumference of first circle. In same way, radius of second circle is r2, which as equals to 9 centimeter as a given. So the circumference of a second circle is equals to 2 pi r2, which is equals to 2 pi into 9. Let the radius of third circle be r3, which is the combination of about two circles. Means we have to add the circumference of first circle. According to the question, 2 pi r1 equals to 2 pi r2, which is equals to 2 pi r3. So we can cancel out this 2 pi, 2 pi. So r1 plus r2 is equals to r3. So 19 plus 9, which is equals to r3. So the value of r3 is equals to 28 centimeter. Question number 2. The radius of two circles are 8 and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of circle having equal area of the sum of the areas of two circles. Here we have to add the area for two circles, means pi r square 1 plus pi r square 2 is equals to pi r square 3. Area of a bigger radius is equals to 8 centimeters, so the area of bigger circle equals to pi r square, means 8 square is 64, so value is 64 pi centimeter square. Radius of smaller square circle is 6 centimeters, so the area of smaller circle is pi r 6 square, which is equals to 36 pi. The sum of area of two circle is equals to 64 pi plus 36 pi, which is equals to 100 pi centimeter square. We know that the area which is equals to the required circle is equals to pi r square, which is equals to 100 pi. So pi cancel out. So this pi and pi cancel out. So r square is equals to 100. So the r is equals to root 100, which is equals to 10 centimeters. Question number 3. Given figure describes the archery target marked with a 5 scoring region from center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. Here are the 5 regions of gold. This is red, this is blue, black and white. The diameter of region presenting gold is 21 centimeter, and each band is of 10.5, and we have to find the area of all the 5 squaring gold. First of all, the diameter of given region gold is 21. First off, we can find the area of. First of all, we have to find the radius. So radius is 10.5. 21 by 2 is 10.5, and we have to calculate the area of a gold. For band red, we have to use radius as an addition of 10.5 and 10.5. So radius become 21 of our outer area. So pi 21 square minus 10.5 square. Let's see how to solve this. So in this way we have to find the area of all the bands. The diameter of gold region is 21, so the radius is 21 by 2. The area of gold region is pi r square, means pi into 21 by 2 square. So pi as 22 by 7, radius 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So by solving this, we get a value of as equals to 346.5 centimeters square. The width of red region is 10.5, which is equals to 21.5. So the area region between radius of red ring includes the area of gold ring. So the radius of outer of red ring, which is equals to area radius of gold ring plus width of a red ring, which is equals to 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2, which is equals to 21 centimeter. I have explained this earlier also. So the area of red region is equals to pi 21 square. So 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, which is equals to 22 into 3 into 21. So the value becomes 1386 centimeters square. Now we have to find the value of only red region. So the this area is of red plus gold, so we have to minus subtract the value of a gold region. So area of red region includes the gold region minus area of gold region. So 1386 minus 346.5. So the area of red region is equals to 1039.5. In same way, width of blue region is 10.5, which is equals to 21 by 2. So the radius of blue region is equals to gold plus red plus blue. So this, or we have to add this all this radius, which is equals to 21 by 2, 21 by 2, 21 by 2, which is equals to 63 by 2 centimeter. So the area of blue region includes red and gold, which is equals to 22 by 7 into 63 by 2 square, means we have to multiply twice. So we get result equals to 3118.5. So area of blue region is equals to area of blue red gold minus red plus gold. So 3118.5 minus 1386. So the value becomes 1732.5 centimeters square. In same way, you have to calculate the radius of black region, which is equals to 42 centimeter. So the area included black, blue, red, or gold, which is equals to 5544 centimeter. From this, if we have to find the region of black region, so we have to subtract black, blue, red, gold minus blue, red, gold. So 5544 minus 3118.5. So we get value is equals to 2425.5 centimeters square. This is the same which we had to find earlier in this sum in earlier steps also. In same way, if we have to find the region of white boundary, so the radius becomes 105.2 centimeter. So the area of white, black, blue, red, gold, which is equals to 888,662.5 centimeters square. So the area of white region is equals to 8662.5 minus 5544 centimeters square. So the value which is equals to 3118.5. Last two area you have to calculate yourself. So you can solve this sum easily. Thank you, students.